Good morning, 5th class children. We are doing workbook second chapter workbook now. This class also the continuation for that workbook page number 24 children. There are some word problems children. Look at the word. The cost of a car is 18,46,245 rupees. What is the cost of a car? A car means one car. What is the cost of that car? 18,46,245. A car showroom sells 8 such cars a day. A showroom sells how many cars? 8 cars in a day. How much amount does the showroom collect in a day? They are given 1 car cost and asking 8 cars cost. So they given one thing and asking many. What we have to do here? Multiplication. Write the steps children. First, cost of a car. How much? Cost of a car is rupees 18,46,245. Next, a car showroom sells how many cars? 8 cars. So number of cars. Number of cars. How many? 8. Next we have to find out the cost of 8 cars. Cost of 8 cars equal to or is. We shall multiply these two numbers. 18,46,245 into 8. Multiply children. 18,46,245 into 8. Do you know 8 table children? Do you know 8 table? Tell me. 8 5s are how much? 8 5s are 40. 4 is carry forward, 0 is in answer place. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 4, 36. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 8 6s are 48. 48 plus 1, 49. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 4, 36. 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 3, 67. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 6. Take 6 fingers. 8 after. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 8 plus 6, 40. So what is the cost of 8 cars? 14 crores 76 lakhs. Sorry children. 1 crore 47 lakhs 69,960. 1 crore 47 lakhs 69,960. So how much amount does the showroom collect in a day? The showroom collect rupees 1 crore 47 lakhs 69,960 rupees in a day. Second one children. A factory manufactures floor tiles. A factory manufactures floor tiles. If 25,920 tiles are packed daily in 324 boxes, how many tiles are packed in each box? First of all, how many boxes are there? 324. And how many tiles are there? divided by 324. First write the steps. Number of boxes. Is 324. Number of tiles packed in boxes. How many? 25,920. And they are asking number of tiles packed in each box. Each means one box. Here you will do division. 25,920 divided by 324. So 25,920 divided with 320. This is a 3-digit number. So choose 3 digits, children. 259. It is lesser than the divisor. So take the another place, 4-digit number. 22,592. This number will comes how many times in 324? We don't know. I think 324 tens are 3,240. It is nearer to 2,592, children. So this is the 324 tens are. Now multiply 324 nines are 9 fours are 36, 9 twos are 18, 18 plus 3 21, 9 threes are 27, 27 plus 2 29. So 2,916 more. Next multiply with 8. 8 fours are 32. 8 twos are 16. 16 plus 3 19. 8 threes are 24. 24 plus 1 25. So 324 exactly divide with 8 times, children. So 324 into 8 how much? 2,592. Do subtraction. 2,592 minus 2,592. 0. Division is completed. No, there is another place is there. Write it down. 0. 0 in 324. How many times? 0 times. 324 zeros are 0. So answer 80. So 80 tiles are packed in each box. How many tiles are packed in each box? 80 tiles. Third one, children. A total of 36,900 books were to be distributed equally to 36 schools. How many books will each school get? How many books are there first? 36,900 books were distributed to how many schools? 36 schools. Distribution means division, children. So here we will do division. 36,900 divided by 36. Then we will get the answer. Okay, write the steps first. Total number of books. Total number of books. How many? 36,900. Number of schools. Distributed to how many schools? Number of schools. 36 schools. And what we have to find out here? How many books will each school get? Number of books will each school get? So 36,900 divided by 36. Do division. Divide with 36. This is 2-digit number. You will also choose 2-digit number in the dividend. 36, 36. Same. How many times? 1 time. 36 ones are 36. Do subtraction. 36 minus 36, 0. Write it down the next place. 9. 9 divided by 36. Is it possible? No. Again write it down another place. 90. So 36, 90 divided by 36. How many times? 36 ones are 36. 36 twos are 6 twos are 12. 3 twos are 6 plus 1, 7. 36 threes are 3 6 are 18. 3 threes are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 108. So 36 twos are 72. Do subtraction. 0 minus 2. Not possible. Get borrow. 9 becomes 8. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 2. 8. 8 minus 7. 1. Next another place is there. Write it down. 0. 180. 36 threes are 108. 36 fours are 4 6 are 24. 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 144. We want more. Again multiply with 5. 36 fives are 5 6 are 30. 5 threes are 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 180. How many times? 5 times. 36 fives are 180. Subtraction. 180 minus 180, 0. So each school get how many books? 125 books. This is the page number 24, children. There is another sum. This one I will explain in the next video, children. Try to do these 3 sums, children. Okay, bye.